Hello everyone, this video is starting right here where I ended the one you saw last week. So, we got a lawnmower. That's good. So, this is a 54-inch deck. Sorry, it's dark out. It's like 10 o'clock, but we got a free lawnmower. Like, yes, I said free. Free. Shout out to my assistant chief at the fire department for hooking us up, and it's going to need a little bit of work, but you know what? It's free. What do you think?
I'm excited. Do you like my backup job?
Hey, I'm actually fairly impressed.
My goal was to get it so we could just do a straight shot to where we're going to keep it. So.
Yep. All right, well, we're going to get this thing unloaded. But we got a free lawnmower, so there's going to be some... That's what this video is about. Sit back, and we're going to get this thing operational, and we're going to mow the yard. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. We got a new lawnmower. However, due to current conditions, we're not going to work on it. Whoa, that was cool. So, hang on just a second. Hang on. We're trying to cook. I'm trying to vlog. It's just ain't happening. I'll give you guys more of an update on the lawnmower and the whole situation behind that. What all we think's wrong with it. I got to cook food before. That cloud looks wicked. Whoa. Okay, I'm getting off here. Nothing says I'm from Indiana more than out here grilling. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning. I got the brats and the smoked sausage on the grill, and it's just a wonderful day.
We're starting on the lawnmower. Brandon, take it away.
All right, guys, welcome back. As you saw, we got a lawnmower. It's a couple days after those clips you just saw of the storm. It's pretty nasty. Lexi here lost power for almost 24 hours, and it was a disaster. So we're getting on this lawnmower now. Yes, I said this, like you heard me say, we got this lawnmower for free. It's absolutely awesome. Like I said, huge shout out to our assistant chief at the fire department for hooking us up and giving this to us. It's awesome. There's a few things though. So one, you look in the flywheel, there's a mouse nest. That ain't good. And then battery's pretty heavily corroded. So other than that, I don't know what else is wrong with it. I mean, it probably needs fuel. And we're going to check the oil. And okay, so we're going to get working on this. We're going to set up a time lapse and just start going. Hopefully we'll have this thing running by the end of this video. That's the goal. But
this is the one time Brandon keeps saying we, and this is totally a him thing. So it's totally fine for him to say I, because he is going to be the only one doing this. Lexi will not be involved, right?
Yeah.
So here's the time lapse to Brandon doing all the work.
Yeah. There is definitely a mouse nest in here at one point. Let's see if we got anything else down there. Looks pretty clean. It's just, I need to suck that out with the vacuum and open up the air filter and look at that. But we're coming along just nicely. Alrighty, just clean this out. It actually turned out pretty good. It's not as bad as nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. So that's a good sign. All right, I just loosened all 4 of these up. Let's take a look in here. There we go. Let's take a look in here and see what this looks like. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's a little dirty, but hey, there's no mouse nest. It's a really good thing. So this mower, I forgot to mention earlier, it's been sitting for like 2 years. And that's why he gave it to us. Because, well, Lexi's got a rather big yard. And they didn't push mount it. So I'm going to tighten all these back up. And we're going to change this battery. So the battery's out. Fortunately, I had to... I know it's not focusing. But I had to cut the cable because that... Oh, come on. This is when you really need to focus. Come on. That's all corrosion. Why is it not focusing? I don't know, but that's the...
We'll add a picture.
We'll add a picture in. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Hey. That's all corrosion. So that's healthy. Alright, so we're back. I got the battery in. Fortunately, I couldn't get the eyelet off of that battery. So we're kind of jerry-rigging it, and I put a clamp on here to see. So, to hold it. But, look at the front. Here we go. Here we go. We turn the key. We've got lights. So I'm going to try to start it. We'll see how this goes. I don't even know if it'll turn over or not. It's not seized up.
We probably need gas.
Hang on, we're going to choke.
Just let's put gas in it and we've got it.
Yeah, I'm going to put some gas in it. All right, take 2. We're going to try this. Here we go. We just put like a splash of gas in it. I don't know what's going on. But we got lights. All right. I don't know what's going on, so... That's hot. Oh. Alright guys, so we just put about half a tank in it. And we're going to see if it just doesn't have enough fuel. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so we're back on the lawnmower project. It's been a couple days since the last clip, but we got new spark plugs for it. We're going to try the spark plugs. We've got new battery cable, newish battery cable. We're going to clamp that off so we're not doing the jerry rig clamps again. We're going to get this going. All right, here we go. We just put new spark plugs in, replace the battery cable. Same thing. We're going to do a last chance resort. We're going to spray some carb cleaner into the intake and fire it up. I got the brake on, so don't worry, but here we go. So, we're not getting fuel. It runs. We got it choked on this time around. on camera. Whew. So, one flaw, it's got a little bit of an oil leak, and so it leaks onto the exhaust. As you can see, it's, but, you know what? We're probably gonna get the cops called on us. Oh man. So it smokes a little bit, but it works. It drives everything. We had a little bit of a flat tire here, and the deck scrapes a little bit. Like on concrete, you can see it kind of scrapes, but it works and it mows everything. But yeah, so we're gonna let this here for a little bit and cool off. But yeah, it mows. It mows. I'm so happy. I'm half tempted to drive to the gas station. Not, I got headlights. I'm good. There's so much smoke. All right, well, that was fun. Check that project off the list.
Can you fix the oil leak, Brandon?
I'm not doing that.
Why not? That could be the next project.
No, because then we don't ever have to do an oil change.
What?
If it leaks out a little bit, you just add a little bit more oil. You never have to do an oil change.
But it has bad sound effects.
Oh, that's just because it backfired. It's all good. But you never have to do an oil change. It drips out, add some more in. Never have to change out the oil.
Okay.
Simple logic.
Hey, so we're back with the lawnmower. This feels different. I'm in the wrong spot.
Yeah, we're gonna switch. Okay, so lawnmower's running. Lawnmower cuts grass. I told you we'd have it done by the end of this video, but we need to take a quick thumbnail before this goes out, so before the sun goes down too much. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you keep up to date when we post videos. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.